In just 10 focus minutes, you can completely shift the mood of your living room toward a calm Japandi aesthetic. This quick refresh relies on intentional edits, natural materials, and simplified styling choices that instantly create a peaceful, grounded atmosphere. Clear every flat surface. Start by removing everything from tables, shelves, consoles, and counters. A clean, open surface immediately reduces visual noise. This step creates the blank canvas needed for Japandi style, allowing only purposeful, calming elements to return to the space. Only keep one focal item. Choose a single object, like a sculptural vase, a handmade bowl, or a textured lamp, to act as the visual anchor of the room. Keeping just one focal point prevents clutter and helps the eye rest, which is essential for creating a serene Japandi-inspired environment. Swap colorful art for wood. Replace bright, busy artwork with pieces featuring natural wood tones or minimalist lines. Warm timber instantly softens the room and brings in the organic simplicity that defines Japandi interiors, creating a more grounded and harmonious visual flow. Nature brings the peace. Incorporate natural elements such as branches, stones, or woven fibers. These subtle touches reconnect the room with the outdoors, adding quiet beauty and a sense of balance. Even a small natural detail can shift the entire mood toward calm and clarity. Group items in threes. When styling surfaces, arrange objects in groups of 3 with varied heights and textures. This simple composition rule creates visual harmony without feeling overly styled. It keeps the space intentional, balanced, and aligned with Japandi's understated elegance. Sub for quick home ideas. If you love fast, achievable home transformations, subscribe for more simple tips that make your space feel calmer and more intentional. Each idea is designed to be beginner-friendly, budget-conscious, and doable in just a few minutes of your day. Add a single green branch. Place one tall, fresh or faux green branch in a neutral vase. This minimal botanical touch adds life without clutter, bringing organic movement and a soft pop of color that complements Japandi's love for simplicity and nature-inspired accents. Layer a neutral throw. Drape a soft, neutral-toned throw blanket over your sofa or chair. This small addition adds warmth, texture, and comfort while keeping the palette calm. It's an easy way to make the room feel more inviting without overwhelming the minimalist aesthetic. Texture beats bright colors. Instead of relying on bold hues, use texture materials like linen, wool, wrought tan, or stone to add depth. Japandi style thrives on tactile richness, allowing the room to feel cozy and sophisticated while maintaining a soothing, neutral color scheme. Adjust your window blinds. Open or angle your blinds to soften the light and create a gentle, diffused glow. Thoughtful light control enhances the calm atmosphere and highlights natural textures, making the room feel more spacious, balanced, and aligned with Japandi principles. Let soft natural light in. Invite as much natural light as possible into the space. Soft daylight enhances the room's organic materials and neutral tones, creating a peaceful environment. Even small adjustments to curtains or blinds can dramatically shift the overall mood. Use a stone tray for keys. Place a simple stone or a ceramic tray near your entry or on a console to hold keys and small items. This keeps clutter contained while adding a natural, tactile element that blends seamlessly with Japandi's clean, functional, and earthy design approach. Scent matters. Try cedar. Introduce a subtle cedar or wood-based scent through candles, diffusers, or room sprays. Fragrance plays a powerful role in shaping atmosphere, and warm, earthy notes reinforce the calm, grounded feeling that defines a Japandi-inspired living space. Your room is now renewed. With just a few intentional changes, your living room now feels refreshed, balanced, and serene. The combination of natural textures, simplified surfaces, and soft light creates a peaceful environment that supports relaxation and mindful living. Check Bloome. How do you refresh? Explore Bloome for more ideas, inspiration, and quick transformations that elevate your home with minimal effort. Everyone has their own way of refreshing a space. Share your favorite small changes and discover new ways to bring calm into your daily environment.